So the journey begins. Yeah, it's now been a year and a half since I last worked my job, and now it's officially time to go all in. All right, so before we get into anything, bro, I want to give y'all a rundown of what y'all gonna see on this channel, bro. This channel is really just me just documenting everything of the journey, my life, any little thing I'm doing, I'm gonna document it. So, and then it's like a space where everybody like that's around my age or trying to do something that I'm doing can connect, or we just like the content. Y'all can all join and be on the same, like have a place where y'all can join it and comment on, like it's a community. Like this is something that I've been trying to do, but I just been on and off with it. I did just wake up. It's like 8, looking at the charges, y'all can see. But but yeah, like it's been a year and a half since I last worked. I'm gonna have a whole story time explaining how that happened. Like y'all need to hear that. But yeah, so now I'm going all in with just creating content and just doing everything. Well, I've been kind of doing it, but I haven't been documenting it or recording it. So that's what we got this for. So I just wanted to give y'all a little intro on everything y'all can really expect, but it is gonna be some stuff that's new to y'all just gonna have to see. And that's it. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I see on this market and what I'm looking at. I'm gonna show y'all where we at and give y'all a little context on what I'm seeing with this trading stuff. All right, so Pete, this is what gold look like, and really everything kind of going down. So I'm really waiting for the market to rebound, kind of get to a place where I can actually trade. Because when it's down like this, you can't really do nothing with it. And then if y'all have been looking at the markets, like before this move happened, nothing was moving for real. Like we thought it was gonna go up, but it didn't, bro. Like it ended up going down. Didn't want to. It wasn't ready to buy for real. So I'm gonna show y'all like, look, last week, bro, it was literally the market was literally just staying right here, not doing nothing, and then kind of went up, made it seem like it was about to make a move right here, and then all the sellers kicked in right here, bro. All the sellers from right here, because you see when it hit this level, it went down. So as soon as it tried to get towards that level, it went down. Then everything started selling off, and then ended up making this move. And will say I could have, I was looking to find a trade, but and when I look at the market, it was kind of like past the time where I kind of don't look at the market for real. So if I was to enter, it'd most likely been like right here because we got to pull back, and that's how I kind of trade. And I did kind of learn my trading skills and stuff from Sav. Y'all know who that is. He teach ICC. But Nas, I ain't really been looking at Nas because Nas is it's been like it hasn't been clear. This is the daily time frame, but this made a new low too. Everything just selling off, and Nas just hasn't been clear to me. Uh, I don't know how y'all can trade this, but this is just consolidation, and from here to god dang like right here, it finally broke out the box though. It did make a low, so if you was to look at anything, it'll be sales. Then this is where we're looking at with the account. Only got $121 in that account right now. I'm gonna eventually put more money in there, but we just gonna trade with what we got right now. Cause I will say that it's good to have capital when you, especially when you trading now. You want to have some type of capital, so you don't want to be trading low because you're gonna from my experience, you'll just lose. You keep losing your accounts, and I don't know. I flipped small accounts before, but yeah, gold y'all see on a daily time frame. I'm really just waiting for it to make a little rebound, pull back, or because it made it. That's why I say I learned ICC. So yeah, it made an indication, a brand new low in the daily time frame. So if this, the way I like to trade is trend. So if the trend gonna continue, we need to see some type of pullback and then for it to go down. I don't really know where it will go down because this is a crazy low. Like this don't even look real out this week. The week that it made, it went all the way down here. But like I did say, if I was, this would have been the entry. Hold on, I just clicked the wrong thing. This would have kind of been my entry, but I would never enter on the 4 hour. But it would have been something like this and have my stop loss up here, and then I would have been targeting. Hold on, I would have been targeting just this low. That would have been the trade. But what's I kind of let me see what time this was. And this is at like 1:11 on a Thursday. So I could have traded this. And it was. So yeah, I could definitely could have traded. I just wasn't looking. I wasn't looking at the market. So. But right now we ain't getting no volume on a Tuesday. That's how it's kind of been. Probably on around like Wednesday, Thursday, the market gonna kind of get some type of volume. And then I was looking at oil because oil was going up. And then as you can see, like a couple days ago, Friday, I remember it was going. I'm thinking it's gonna go up. This thing ended up just chopping and just consolidating and kind of made a low. So everything's just going down right now. So I'm not really looking to trade nothing for real. I'm just really just getting the idea of what I could enter on. So I'm probably about to study some more right now, some stuff so I can have a clear trading plan. Because the main thing that I have problems with is finding entries and entering, finding a perfect place to enter into the market. Well, not the perfect place, but entering into the market. And then when I enter, well, like before when I enter into trades, I'll end up like looking at somebody else's opinion on the trade, and then I won't FOMO out or lead get not enter the trade, but I'll end up like cutting my win short or or not end up enter into the trade like something like that. Like I got a problem with that where I end up like I gotta be looking at like it's a Discord I'm in with the ICC Discord. I end up looking at that, then be contemplating my trade. Is this good or not? Something like that's kind of how I be with sometimes the trading. So I need to work on that. So with that, I'm going right now so I have a clear plan and everything is simple. That's what I like with trading. When you make it simple, it's so easy. That's what it is. But once you end up having problems with overthinking and having psychological stuff, psychological stuff, and that's where it gets bad, bro. But other than that, you can make everything simple. It just comes with your plan. And I don't really trade forex pairs because they don't move as much as I would want like it to. So, but UJ don't look that bad. I ain't gonna lie. Well, so it's doing the same thing. Everything else doing is selling off. But I wouldn't trade this. It's not really clear cut. But it did reject this low high. If I would say anything, it'd probably sell off. I don't know. It could. I don't know. It can go either way. I'll just look at it right here. If it starts trying to make a move down here, I could see it selling off, but it just made a low from this level. And if it wanted to buy off, it would have did it. And this is at all time highs. So I wouldn't even try to be trading this. So yeah, if anything, I'll look for sales for UJ. But other than that, that's my little market input. I'm about to start writing some stuff down. Ain't it crazy to think that you can tap a phone for a certain amount of minutes and generate some money on in anywhere? Like you can really do that. That's really a possible thing with church. So it's like I want to be able to document the journey and show y'all that it's possible. Like you can still do this. Like it ain't what it seems like. You do see people having crazy transformations, but it's really a journey. That's the funniest part of this. It's the journey of grinding and seeing the view. That's the best part. Like obviously is like you look at your situation now and you looking at everybody else, you want to be better, but this is the place to be, your own journey. You ain't gonna be like those other people until you go through your own journey. So it's just about building and staying to it. I love where I'm at right now. It's fun, like doing this and always having somewhere to be and grinding. And it's always something that you gotta get. Like it's like a game. That's the way I think of it. It's like a game. You know how the games you play, you gotta do certain objectives and get to certain levels and get to certain checkpoints by playing it and putting time in and grinding and staying to it every day. That's how you level up. So with life is the same exact thing, but to implement that and stick to what you want to do, and you can do anything out here. You have everything you need to do what you need to do. So you can't make dumb excuses saying, "Oh, I don't have this, I don't have that. Look at this person, they got this." You got everything you need. So right now, I made 2 trades today. I made some progress. Waiting on this market is so slow some days throughout the week. But like when you go get you a trade, when you go get you when it's ready, it's like I'm a sniper on the top of a building. I'm waiting for my person to line up so I can make my shot. That's how it was this whole week. It's Thursday and I finally was able to make a trade throughout the whole week. And last week it did the same exact thing. Towards Thursday and Friday, the market was already at a lowest low, and the market opened this week breaking all the lows and it's just going crazy. So it's like you gotta wait to take your shot and it's gonna be there. And another thing, with trading, it's like the way trading is, it's a easy thing to get into because it's so much access out there to people having videos. It's not like something that's new. Oh yeah, and with that being said, since I lost my job, what I want my main income being is trading. So that's why you focus on trading. I've been I've been trading like I heard about it, but I started trading in like 2022 where I actually had an account and it's just been on and off. I ain't never been like consistent, like just staying on it. Like I'll end up putting some money in the account, growing it, and then end up stopping and then just end up losing my account. Like I had like three funded accounts. I never end up passing one, but I had like I just be on and off with trading. So I'm trying to actually stay with it and stay consistent on it. So I'm gonna show y'all where we at, like with everything, like I said. All right, so Pete, bro, the account at 75. I tried to take a little BTC trade. I know seeing Saw, he had a Bitcoin trade that I looked at, and I was like, it ain't that bad of a setup. So I entered into it, and it ain't look too good, but we ended up losing like $18, and now we on US 30, bro. I know y'all see this, bro. Basically a downtrend. It did pull back from this, but I see this candle, and I'm like, bro, price is rejecting this high again. I feel like it's making a little lower high because it went up right here, went down, failed to break this again because it could have did this, made this boom, and went up, but it failed to go back up. So I see it going down to this level, so I took this trade, risking $40 to make 100 back to them lows. And we gonna see how I go. I feel like this this is my first setup. I mean, first trade in a minute. That BTC trade, like I said, I ain't. I did say I gotta stop entering just trades from just seeing other people do it, but it wasn't that bad of a setup. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it didn't look bad. I don't trade Bitcoin though, so it was kind of dumb. I'll be honest. Let me say all this real quick, and I even have it marked up. But basically, it was this right here. This move then went down, then entering right here to go back up. But all right, bro. So we entered in gold because I ain't gonna lie, gold. I'm gonna show y'all what I wanted it to do. I wanted it to look, price, came down, broke this, made this brand new low in the market, then pulled back, came down, then went up. So I'm like, I wanted to go down, pull back, then make like a little lower high, a little bit, and then go down. But it started to go down. So I seen it right here. I was like, I might just go ahead and enter it like it's in a drop. And I still have like a decent amount of stop loss, like a decent stop loss. But this joint, going down right now. So like I didn't want to miss it because you could say I could have entered right here on this candle, right here, but I don't know. This don't going down. Let's see what we had. We had $60, and then the US 30 trade. I showed y'all that's going down too. Both of these trades is possible to hit before this goddamn weekend. It's Thursday right now with enough volume. We gonna see where this can end. It's only 12:31. We can see where this going in, where it's gonna go down to. But we just gonna keep managing this trade because I still gotta put $40 to my account because basically what I did, my account was at 125. I lost $18 on the trade, and then I took out like 20 to put some in this little betting. I had betted some money like $20, ended up making that back, turned it to 40, and then now I gotta put it back into my account. So I'm probably gonna put like $30 back to my account, and we're gonna be at 100 plus this trade. But this setup play out, y'all see what the TP's at. Y'all see what the TP's at. And that's just targeting the low. Cause what I learned with my trading is like sometimes I do be trying to go for the big moves. Cause like if you go to the daily, hold on, it's too much lines. I gotta take these little. Now that y'all understand the trade, I can take these little lines off because I don't need this. But hold on, I got too much lines in my chart that I don't really need. Hold on, do I need these? Cause these is like old trades. I don't need all these lines. All right, but let me see. But yeah, I can see it going down Cause it's clear. It's clear. It's clear. It's clear. Like, what's the word I'm trying to look for? Clear traffic. Like, it ain't nothing down here. Like, it ain't. I mean, you got a low right here that still probably has some buyers. Some buyers come in try to buy up from right there. But right now we should be going down a little bit. Like, should go down a little bit. But we gonna see, cause this still very much could be. It could turn into a buy, cause we could stop right here, pull back, and start going up. Like, you never know. So I still gotta manage this trade, make sure it's respecting the structure and all that. But US 30 has, I feel like it got good structure. Like US 30, this little wick, once it flipped bearish and dropped down, that's all we need for that. But I don't know. Right now we just going down a little bit. We gonna see where this trade wanna end up going. But I wanna keep stacking and building this account. I need to put more capital, because that's what I realized. I only put a 0.01 lot size on both of these trades. And look how much pips we at. If I would have put 0.10, both of these would have been $200, $300 right here. But I don't have the capital. That's why I told y'all, you do need capital with trading. But we gonna see what it's gonna do. I'm gonna probably come back to y'all once everything, like, the day about over with, and then that's probably be the end of this video. But y'all let me know what y'all want to see, like, with what the type of videos y'all want to see, like videos that's like edited, like, good, or like clean, like y'all like clean, like no cuts, just straight raw footage. Y'all let me know. Right, so it's the next day. I ain't gonna lie, I showed y'all the 2 trades yesterday. They ended up both getting stopped out, break even. Now it's the next day, and the trade still look good for gold. US 30, I couldn't really enter into it. But this week, I ended up entering twice on accident, bro. I was trying to see, I didn't know how much margin I had, and I didn't know I can put another position in. So I entered in twice. So now one of them is at this take profit level right here, and the other one right here. I don't know. We're gonna see how the volume comes in this last minute. We do need it to, hold on, I did not really do that. We low-key do need it to we would want it to come down here below this level at 415. We got 1 minute left. We gonna see what it do, bro. We gonna see. Hold on. I needed to push down one more time, bro. One more push. 10 seconds left. You want to push down? It's trying to go up. You gonna see, bro. You gonna see what it want to do. All right, it's 8 o'clock, bro. It's 8 o'clock. We just got a lower high. It rejected this level again. We got a lower high. You're gonna see, because it can go both ways. But I don't know, though. The reason I entered this to this trade, because I feel like it broke this level right here. Like, we gonna have to see how gold treat me today, because yesterday kind of was crazy. But yeah, it broke this level right here. Technically made a new low. It didn't stay at this support. So yeah, we need this junk to come back down, bro. Right now it's trying to slowly creep up. Probably gonna come up again, but we just push down a little bit and close like up here. Cause I don't know. I feel like it went both ways, but we just got to see. Cause this jump made a lower high and went down, came up lower high. Now this next candle, I can definitely see it coming down. We just gonna have to thug it out though. We gonna see what it do. That's why I said it's kind of risky, cause like both of these stops hit, but that's my whole account. I'm gonna pick up the camera when it get to moving. You gonna see. The one thing I will say, if price do come up, and if it closes or break this level, you have clean price action up here. So that's the only thing that will allow me to get in the trade. If I see it come up above this level and it breaks it, I'm gonna enter into a buy and just ride it out right here, make basically what I lost. But other than that, I'm going. I did say the video was going in, but that's one last thing. So if y'all don't see nothing after this, that means it didn't do that. So you gonna see. Nah, just started. It's 9 a.m. now. It's 9 a.m. now. You gonna see, is it crazy? The 4 hour just closed above that level, because my sales bias was, if it would have closed above this level in a 4 hour, it would have definitely went down. But now we got a new 4 hour candle above
this level, bro. Got a new 4-hour above that level. So we gonna see. Cause man, that's insane. I ain't gonna lie. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this video so far. Oh, as y'all can see, y'all see what happened. Gold going crazy. It's pumping up. This jump went down, man. Made a new low right here and said, "Forget, forget going back down, Lord. Lord, I lost $40, bro. $40. I'm gonna put it back into my account, but I'm gonna just have to find the next setup. I ain't gonna lie. I was thinking about going to the flip side, entering to buys, but it is Friday, so I'm about to just move on. We gonna come back next week with the charts, and then I don't know if I showed y'all, but hold on. US 30 was a trade that I was in. As y'all can see right here, I was in this trade and ended up getting stopped out because I had my stop loss break even last night. This candle right here, that little green, this green one right here, did y'all see that long wick? That just came out of nowhere like 2 o'clock or something like that and stopped everything I had going out. So we can't do nothing with that. Right now, like I said, it looked good for balls, but I know that my stop loss would be crazy. That's another $40 risk to go up to this level, and it's gonna be $850. But I don't know. It's kind of like it's Friday. I ain't even want to fool with the charts right now. I might just give it up to next week, and we'll just have to find another trade. This week I didn't lost. Let me see. I'm gonna show y'all. All my trades look good though. Like I feel like it could have went either way. But hold on. Is this recent? I'm not sure. No, that's not recent because I'm not trading no AJ. No time soon. Hold on. All right, look. These look that 2018. I just lost that. That's 38. This the one I took when I got stopped out. These two I was in US 30 and gold. From the other clips y'all seen it. US 30 I got it was supposed to be break even, but I didn't. Then gold I ended up closing out before the trade went to break even. And then this one was where I took that one trade I was talking about with Saw. That was a good setup to me, and it ended up going down. So we didn't took $20 plus 38, 58, and now gold doing this, gold pumping up crazy, and it's like, do I get it? Cause that stop loss is gonna be crazy, bro. Getting in right here, that's like 50, 40 pips. That's the bad thing. I need to have like a demo account where I can just log in it, cause I don't know how to measure lot size. My account kind of low, so my margin not even gonna let me do that. So, look, could I even get in the buy if I wanted to? That's crazy. Let me go in the buy, and I'll be risking $38 if I wanted to get in this trade. 38. I didn't even mean to do it. See, this is why I gotta stop doing it. I didn't even mean to click that. Like, I didn't even want to do that for real, bro. And then if it goes all the way up here, which I doubt it does that in a short amount of time, I'll make that because it's not enough volume. I feel like it is respecting it. Like right now, where is that? Risking $38 not that bad, but I just now I'm in the trade. Now I'm in the trade, so it's like what I'm gonna do now? But gold can easily come up to this level. Let me see what that be. Yeah, gold could easily just come up to this level and go back down and do what it wants, just consolidate that whole time. So we gonna see. What else? But this level right here is important. If it pushes past this level, yeah, you're gonna be looking good. But other than that, gold doing gold things, bro. Gold doing gold things. Where it happens. But we gonna see. Look, it's pushing down for the last couple minutes. It's pushing down. We gonna see. I actually want to show y'all this, but I don't want to be too drawn out or the video too long. Then Nas, bro, Nas be respecting stuff. I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes though, cause this right here is literally consolidation. This whole entire what's the name? Then it finally broke, made a low, then came up, did this, rejected the highs, and then now you're looking at sales. Came up, went down, made a little lower high, bam. That's where you get in the trade. But your stop loss is gonna be kind of steep though to get to this. But I'm looking at that real quick. But so yeah, this would have been the setup for me if I did enter into this trade. Would have been like this, something like that. and then stop loss right there. Cause this junk like crazy. Nah, Nas is the only pair that went down to his low. Look, US 30 still trying to fight down. Gold, gold said forget y'all. Forget my buys. I mean, forget my sales. Cause like I told y'all, when I picked up the phone, I seen this little lower high, and gold could still go down and do what it want. But I don't know. I seen this little low get broken. Came down lower high. It looked good, but this jump, but we just gonna see. But how much y'all, man? Dang, if I had like $1, I would have took it out. Now I'm stuck in this trade. This is why I said I gotta stop doing this. Now I gotta close out the trade, and that's bad because this is stuff that this is rookie mistakes where you don't get into the market, then you stuck in it. But I'll take the loss. That's $4, $5 I just lost. I just wanted to see how much I would have risked if I would have stayed in that trade. It possibly still can go up, but I don't know. I'm just gonna give it next week. We just need a new setup. That's all it takes to get this account back right, bro. Both of the trades look good in my opinion, but I'm gonna this is probably gonna be the end of this week. Every week we gonna have a little video and the upload's gonna go up. But yeah, this it. It's the end.
All right, so this is a little update. As y'all see that last trade that I took, I ended up getting out of that trade. It's Saturday right now. Market is closed, and I'm finna just go over, give y'all a little recap for the whole week from what we did with that little first one. And I'm gonna show y'all this real quick.
All right, so basically, right, what happened was my bias was seeing I was seeing sales due to price rejecting buying up right here, because I'm thinking it made a little lower high. I'm thinking price was gonna come up. If it wanted to come up, I'm thinking it would have break right here. So I seen a rejection, right? But instead, like I said, this when I was looking at the shape, I was like, it could go both ways. But it really depends on who's stronger in the market, cause it's buyers versus sellers, right? So I'm looking at like around right here, the price is going down a lot. Like this candle right here was when I think when I was like when I first woke up, yeah, it was like 8, and this the 9 a.m. candle close. So like it was going down. I'm thinking it's gonna make that little push, cause I first I was in sales. I was in sales right here, right? I was in sales right here, and then I forgot what happened. Oh yeah, I got stopped out a break even. Well, I had like $17 I made off that trade because I got stopped out of my US 30 trade. So I ended up losing because I'm thinking we finna pump down, and I got in the trade kind of early. But what I kind of got from this, bro, cause look, y'all see what it did. It was perfect. It was perfect, like for both. I'm gonna be honest. Like it could have went both ways, but buyers was way more in control over these levels, cause you see right here, came up, rejected that level first, made a lower high, a little pit stop, had to grab some more power, and then it went up. Like it was perfect right here. I ain't gonna lie. Now that I see it, it could have been buys, but now I could change my buys now. That's the thing. I ain't really mad that I lost. I did lose I lost like $50, $40 this week. I'm gonna put some more money in my account. We gonna go back up, but now I got an opportunity to. I just said that word wrong, but I got an opportunity to enter into buys because this can go up. It went up right here and go down. We wanted to make a lower high, and we entered just like how I did right here. Made a lower high, then went up. That's all we want. So we gonna make it easier on ourselves. But look, I wanted to show y'all US 30, bro, because US 30, you really get, like, look at this. This is what I had to write down on my notes, bro. Because literally, what happened was, as y'all see, my trade was doing good. I was like $80 in profit because I had gold and US 30 both going on at the same time, right? The thing literally did this. Came down, this candle right here. Y'all see that this long green candle right there, bro. Out of nowhere, it like some news just came out. Prices pumping. I got hit. I got taken out my trade. I couldn't do nothing. And it's like, cause I have to do that. Like I like to manage my trade. So I was kind of going off the charts, came back, see this green candle just go up, came back down, made a lower high. Then around this time, it's 4 in the morning. I'm not entering into the market. So it came down, made a lower high, and then the trade goes, bro. This trade, y'all seen, I don't know. Let me look. I don't know. I think the trade would have been $200 at least, bro. And y'all seen what happened, right? the bias was good, but it's like we just got stopped out break even. So it's like I definitely could have prevented this if I would have just kept my stop loss, because this happens to me so much times. But it's like I don't know. I'm kind of in between trying to be more safe on my trades. If I see a trade go down a little bit, I like to put it break even. But I don't know. I kind of can. I guess I can say I could have kept it where it was, but y'all ain't gonna. Yo, we can't even lie. Like some random news coming out at 4 o'clock in the day is insane though. Like what's going on? Then we got Nas. Nas did the same thing too. Look, this would have been a textbook trade, a little pullback right here, down. You would have made you some money right here. But like I said, as long as the market doing what it's supposed to do, I'm happy, bro. Cause I'm gonna get another opportunity next week. That's all that matters. Cause we still can trade. So like I said, hopefully gold can give us a good little lower high, and we can get onto the buyer side. Cause in the daily time frame, it don't look too good. Like it's not clear what you can see. Like if it's not like a clear as day like a trend. Like you see the seller's trend, which is easy to see it on here because look at this. But I thought I was gonna make a little pullback, then go back down on this time frame. But I don't know. Once we get back trending up, like we can get one of these trends, then we can just eat off that. But right now, we just gotta keep consistent. I mean, keep staying to the plan. Like all I gotta do. I'm over here talking dumb fast. I just took me some goddamn caffeine. My brain moving fast. But I just want to say all this, man. This is gonna be the end of the first video. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this, man, so far. And how y'all doing with y'all little trading journeys, or if y'all trade or y'all just came across this video, y'all let me know. But man, this is the first video, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and we gonna keep going. We the family, bro. Y'all my people. We out though.